In today's video, let me show you how to use the Instagram schedule post. If you're trying to manage your content on Instagram, it has an inbuilt feature that lets you schedule your feed posts and reels in advance. And so in order to have this feature, you need to first of all switch your account from a personal account to a professional account. You can do that through the profile section by tapping on edit profile. If you scroll down here, you'll see the option called switch to professional account. So just select a niche and then switch to either a creator account or a business account. Once your account now has been switched, you can follow the simple process of posting. Select a video or an image that you're trying to post. And right here inside of this section, in the section of adding in captions, if you scroll down, you can tap on more options. And then you'll see the option called schedule. Just tap on this option and then you can select the date and time you want to post or schedule this, and then tap on done. Head back and then you can now tap on schedule on the bottom right. Now this exact post or this reel will be scheduled on the exact date and time that you just selected. That's pretty much all for today's video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more.